guys, it's Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel. So I am finally back home in Santa Monica. It's been really crazy these past few months, but I'm back for 3 nights. I got back from Las Vegas this morning, went to work on 4 hours of sleep, and I wanted to go ahead and sit down with you guys since I have the afternoon off from teaching to go ahead and talk about the new plant babies that I recently got in my collection, and also drill my thrifted planters that I also recently got in my collection. I think all of them are from Arizona. Yes, I'm everywhere, so it's hard for me to keep track of everything. But all of the plants I'm going to talk about are plants that I picked up with plant friends. So anytime I go shopping with plant friends, I'm always curious to see if we end up liking the same plants. If so, we split the cost and then we both can have babies off of the same plants. So that is exactly what I did in Los Angeles in the Come With Me video that I had featured my best friend Jenny, and she's new to plants. I also gave her prickly pear cuttings. She got 2 of them. And we ended up splitting these 2 plants here. So this is the first one. It's the same plant that Anya has in her collection. And then as well as, I think Catherine and I has a variety of this in a thicker variation. And this came in a 4-inch planter, and there's 5 of them. So Jenny got 2, I got 3. I've been wanting to get this one in my collection for a good minute. These are the 2 babies that I ended up getting. There were a bundle of 3 in a 4-inch planter for $5, which I thought was really reasonable. So Jenny got 1, I got 2. They will be probably planted up in one of the planters that I recently got thrifted in Arizona. If you take a look right here, there is a baby. So there is pricks in here. I'm not going to try to prick myself, but Kira and I did a Come With Me. We did 3 episodes yesterday, and she wanted this San Pedro Cactus. There's a baby here, and there was 2 of them for $20. I told her that if she picked whatever one she wanted, I would split with her for $10 each, and then we could get 1 baby with a baby attached to it. So I think this was a really good deal. $10 for this whole thing with a baby. And you'll see when I plant it up in the, I guess, part 2 of Planting with Jewelyn, how big this baby is. So that is going to wrap up the babies that I just recently got over the last week, like just few days actually. I hope that really inspires you to go plant shopping with your friends, because you just never know what you're gonna find. If you guys like the same plants, have the same style, you can do what I did with Jenny in Los Angeles and Kira in Las Vegas. Find a plant, split it, split the cost, and you can go home with a plant for less amount of money spent. So I think that's really fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the portion of the haul. We'll go ahead, flip the point of view, and I'll show you the setup of all of the drilling that will be taking place today. And depending on the sunlight when I come back, and with my patio being dark, I don't think I can do the planting portion of today's video. Unfortunately, with the lighting in my patio, the sun going down, and by the time I get home from the post office, the lighting will be really bad. So stay tuned for part 2, which I will go ahead and film tomorrow, of me planting up babies in the planters that I drilled up today. And I hope you guys enjoy today's episode of Planting with Jewelyn. So I have my space here set up with a bunch of planters. I also am going to be using Ebby's pad as my little workstation mat area, so I can easily go ahead and just throw this out when I'm done with today's video. First thing I want to do is my popcorn planter, because I know my little snake plants can go into them. I have water here. Now that I have water on the surface and my drill set ready to go, I'm gonna go ahead and drill away. So starting at an angle, that was really fast. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the water on the side here. And then now that I have a hole here, I'm just gonna go ahead and see how this would work here. Place this into here just so I know that it's ready to be planted up. And then after everybody is done drilling, we'll go ahead and fix them up. So I think that's how I'm gonna do the video. Let's do the next one here, working quickly. So these crate and barrel planters are not that hard to drill. Get an angle. That's quick. Here's the next hole, and I want to go ahead and place this guy in here. Just so that I know that's where the next home is going to be. And then we'll go and move on to the next. I'm gonna try to drill holes on the ones I know that a new baby is gonna go into for this video. This one I had for a good minute. This is a planter my best friend Diana gave me. She's not into plants, but she gave me 3 of these. I gave one to Kira with her cactus that I gave her for her birthday, and I have 2, so I'm gonna drill one because there is a new baby I think I might want to put in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill. Alright, so that took a good minute. Let's see what this looks like. Here's the hole here, and I think I have my cactus that I would like to go ahead and put in here. We'll see. But I have this nice and prepped for the plant. I'm gonna do perhaps this one. Alright, let's see how far we get into all this. That was quite quick. So Ebby's pad really comes in handy. So there's a hole here, and I think I'm going to do, I feel like this guy's gonna take a while, but let's try this guy here. By the way, shout out to my nail guys, James in Vegas. He did a rad job on my blue chrome. Really love them. And by the way, looking at Ebby's pads, Ebby is with my grandma in Arizona. I can't wait to see them. Alright, so that took a while. I had to like stop the camera from filming. I didn't want it to take up too much memory on my card, but the hole is finally drilled. I swear I was drilling at this thing for a good minute, but it is done. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this plant haul and drilling portion of today's Planting with Jewelyn episode. I know it's slightly different. I don't think I ever did a haul video with drilling before, but it's something that I definitely wanted to do. I wanted to go ahead and drill the planters. I just got them to my home in Santa Monica, and I also wanted to share with you guys the newest babies that I got in my collection. So I'm gonna wrap up the video here. I'm gonna head down to the post office to ship out plant orders. If you guys are interested in purchasing a zigzag, rickrack, fishbone, cactus, or a prickly pear cutting, definitely let me know down in the comments below. Direct message me on Planting with Jewelyn on Instagram. That is my new plant Instagram, just featuring all things plants. So go ahead and head on over there, leave me a direct message. And that is going to wrap up today's portion of Planting with Jewelyn. Stay tuned for part 2, which I will try to do tomorrow, filming that when the light is a little bit more brighter here in the patio, of me planting up some babies. I haven't been here for a minute, so I know there is lots. I will go ahead and set up everything tonight so that when I am home from work, I can just go ahead and film for you guys without having to stress out to set everything up. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know, what did you think about the plants that I got? Do you think it was worth splitting with my friends? I think so. And what do you think about me drilling all of the planters in today's video of all the thrifted planters? I'm so excited to plant them up. You can find more on my blog at ILOVEJEWELYN.blogspot.com. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica.